apple, shiny and red. B for ball, bounce it ahead. C for cat, soft and small. D for dog, running with the ball. E for elephant, big and tall. F for fish, swimming in the pool. G for goat, eating grass all day. H for hen, cluck cluck say. I for ice cream, sweet and cold. J for jug, water to hold. K for kite, flying high. L for lion, king so sly. M for monkey, jumping on tree. N for nest, for birds to be. O for orange, juicy and round. P for parrot, talking sound. Q for queen, wearing a crown. R for rabbit, hopping around. S for sun, shining bright. T for tiger, strong with might. U for umbrella in the rain. V for van, on the lane. W for watch, telling time. X for zung-zung, musical chime. Y for yak, furry and strong. Z for zebra, stripes so long. A, B, C, D, sing with me. Learning letters happily.